Hi, guys. Now, you guys don't have a chance to decorate your lockers like you normally would with those fun accessories and pictures and things on the inside. So, we're going to have a chance to decorate our lockers, kind of like how I decorated my classroom for you guys to see the other day. So, you're going to get a chance to choose your own locker color. So, if you look at I have a couple different colors you can choose from. So you just start working on the slide that you like the color for. So when I did my slide, I liked kind of this teal color. So you guys can work on whichever color you like and then delete the ones you don't like. Then you're going to type your name and your interesting facts and favorites. So if you look on mine, these are all text boxes. So you can click on them and then just retype them. So you can delete what's already in there and type your name. You can do the same for favorites. You can resize your font size just like you would here from your toolbar, so that if you want to do if you have a lot of favorite foods or a lot of favorite books or things like that. I did more like my style of book I like any biography because I couldn't think of one, so that's okay to be a little creative with those. And then you're going to be inserting images and pictures into your locker. You want to have at least 5 items. And how you're going to insert them is that you're going to go to where it says insert here at the top of your toolbar. You're going to go to image and then you're going to do from the web. Or if you want to take a selfie, you can do the camera and take a picture, or maybe you're going to have your dog or your sibling or something like that. You can use the camera there to insert a picture of you. Or if you search from the web, that's great too. Now, what you want to do that's a little different is you're going to type in transparent and make sure you spell it right. So if I want a transparent basketball, let's say, because that's my favorite sport and I want to have that ball in there, you do that and it takes away all the background. Now you can drag it in to put it in and then resize from the corner and kind of continually make it smaller and bigger or wherever I want to put it. Or you can right click, or what we do, double finger tap on a Chromebook, and you can copy and paste it as well. Or here you get that and you can hit the insert. So there's a couple different ways you can put them in. Okay. And you can, again, resize them, change them, move them around. You need at least 5 different items to fill it. I gave you some examples here. You can put in books just in general books. You could put I put my cell phone in mine. I put flip-flops because I love going to the beach. I put in my favorite food and coffee. I put pictures of my kids and things I like to do on here, and then just some like kind of fun accessories. Now, one thing is if you want to change the position, let's say I want my Coke can in front of my computer. I click on the item I want to move, and if I right click or those 2 finger taps, I have lots of options here, and I want to go to order. And then I'm going to bring it to the front. So then now that puts the Coke in front of those other images. So you can play around with that and move things, in front or behind and change sizes. You can also you can rotate them or move them. So I could move it 90 degrees there. So you can kind of, if you wanted it to be in a different position or a different shape, you can do that as well. So you can pick the different orders, you can resize, you can add a picture of yourself, or you can create a Bitmoji using the Bitmoji app. That has to be parent permission on that one though. So you don't have to do the Bitmoji. You can easily take a selfie with yourself or upload a picture you already have in your Google Drive. You want to delete any extra slides that you're no longer using. So if I'm not using the teal slide, I'm just going to delete that. You see how it's highlighted yellow here? I can hit the backspace button and it's gone, or I can go to edit and cut if I want to get rid of it as well. So those are the ways we can get rid of the different ones we don't need. You can get rid of the direction slide, and you can get rid of Mrs. Lindsay and I's examples. Those can get deleted too before you're actually going to turn in. When you look at Google Classroom, you'll see this video as one, and then you will see a separate assignment that you have to work in. So I made you a copy of these Google Slides so that you can actually go in and alter and change and work within it. And then this is what you will turn in when it's all completed. You're welcome to have a little fun with it. Add some creative things you like. Look at it in present mode, because sometimes that shows what might get cut off or anything like that. Sorry, my door likes to slam with the air conditioning. And you can decorate it as you will. So since we can't really do our formal decorating our lockers, we'll have a little virtual fun with it. All right, guys, email me if you have questions.